Okay, interesting talking point. You see that right there? My original one was rusted out in garbage. My friend Chris took this piece out of a Mark IV Jeep. Actually, I think it was just a Mark IV Golf, and fixed it for me. So, shout out to Chris. Thanks. Okay, front shocks, that part right there gets reused. That right there is the bushing for that bolts to the top right there. And yeah, that's it. Get them installed. Okay, got the van done. Didn't film both sides because, well, both sides are the same to take apart and put back together. But the final height on it is this. 31 and a half on the back. $28 and a half on the front. Okay, you made it this far on the video. So I have these stickers made for the channel. Anybody interested in them? So I have one on my van. Check it out. It's been there for about 6 months, direct sunlight.